Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to study physics grade 10. Begin by mastering core ideas and making concise notes for each topic. Practice 20 to 30 mixed problems weekly and review mistakes immediately. Use diagrams, free body sketches, and units to keep answers clear. Study in focused 45-minute sessions with short breaks and teach concepts aloud to check understanding. Build confidence with past papers and timed quizzes. In this video, I will explain how to study physics grade 10. Use active recall by testing yourself on formulas and concepts without notes. Create flashcards for key equations and review them with spaced repetition. Work backwards from answers to see common solution steps and time yourself on questions to build exam pacing. Discuss tricky problems with classmates or tutors to gain different perspectives and reinforce learning. If you are enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like so I can keep making helpful videos. Quick recommendation: the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum is great for busy students because voice control and smart mapping free up time for study. It quietly cleans around desks and cables so you can focus, and its automated schedules keep floors tidy without effort. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will explain how to study physics grade 10. Start each problem by writing givens, unknowns, and applicable equations to create a plan. Sketch diagrams and annotate forces, velocities, or fields to visualize the scenario. Perform unit checks at each step and estimate expected magnitude to spot mistakes quickly. Review incorrect solutions to understand error patterns, and practice varied problems to build flexible problem-solving skills.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.